If you want to download AnyDesk on Windows, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can get it installed safely and easily. AnyDesk is a popular remote desktop app that lets you connect to another computer, access files, and provide support from almost anywhere. So if you've been looking for a simple way to get started, you're in the right place. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your preferred web browser on your Windows PC. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you already have installed. Once the browser is open, click inside the address bar at the top of the window. This is where you'll type the website or search terms you want to find. Now type AnyDesk and press Enter. Your browser will show a list of search results, and at this point, it's very important to choose the official website. Look for the official AnyDesk website in the search results and click it to open. Always make sure you're downloading software from the official source so you avoid fake websites, outdated versions, or unsafe downloads. Once you're on the official AnyDesk website, look for the Download Now button. This is usually easy to spot on the home page. Click Download Now to begin the download process for Windows. Depending on your browser, the file may start downloading automatically, or you may be asked where you want to save it. After that, you can wait for the download to finish. Once it's complete, you'll have the AnyDesk installer ready on your Windows computer. From there, you can open the file and continue with the installation process if needed. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to download AnyDesk in Windows using the official website. This is the safest and easiest way to get the app onto your PC. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.